Welcome to Alicia's life journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Today I'm doing a deep fried Oreo recipe with golden Oreos. You can try it with the chocolate one as well. But I tried this at Popeyes and it was so good. So good that I wanted to go home and try this recipe for myself. So here you go. Ingredients: golden Oreos, the biscuit pancake mix. You know how to mix it. You just follow the directions of the pancake mix. I dropped the Oreos in a cup full of pancake mix, and it was so delicious. And then I top it and just fry it just like a deep fried pancakes, or let's say you deep frying French fries. And I had it too hot, so that's why you see the oil is kind of looking like it's burnt, because I burned up the first Oreo. And I'm trying it again. Just cover it again. Completely cover it with pancake. Deep fry it, and there you go. This is a deep fried Oreo. You see how it's like all the icing and everything just come together. It tastes so delicious. I didn't expect it to taste so good. It's so good. It's very good. I'm gonna make another batch. So this is how it looked. And you see I burned it up because I had it too high the first time. But the second time I got it quite right. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm doing a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway once I reach 280 subscribers, because unfortunately I didn't make my prior goal of 250 subscribers because I kept losing them before I did the live stream. So the details are going to be below of how to do that gift card giveaway, how to enter in. And yes, I really do have this Amazon gift card that I've been holding for about 3 months now, and I'm ready to give it to a lucky winner on the live stream.